Just want to do a quick unboxing video. I just went down and got this out of my mailbox. It's a UltraSharp 3000 grit. I've got their full set all the way up to 2200 grit, and I saw a while back that they came out with a 3000 grit, and I liked all their other stones so much I wanted to give this one a try. You know, these stones are kind of remind me of the old DMTs. You know, not so much the DMT quality anymore, but unfortunately. So far, I've been really happy with them. Nice and flat. Absolutely, you know, after kind of the initial use, you kind of break it in. Don't see any diamonds or anything coming off. Nothing out of the ordinary. They just seem like really good diamond plates overall. Now I use them more for my woodworking tools, but I do use them occasionally for my knives. It's got decent packaging. Wrapped them decently. They shipped them out fast. I got these from, God, I hate shipping peanuts. Best Sharpening Stones. I've ordered quite a few things from them and haven't had any problems. Got some information, breaking it in. Oh shit. Oh, that's off my marker. Made a nice mess. Get that crap off before it's permanent. Anyways, this is the same packaging all the other ones came in. .3000 grit. If I can get it open without destroying the box. Not so much. Yeah, the first set of stones I got from is up to 1200. Man, they were just super aggressive. Probably the most aggressive diamond plates I've ever owned. So marked UltraSharp 3000 grit. Definitely aggressive, even for 3000, but that'll really should improve after I break them in. What I like to do, I mean, there's different ways you can do it. In the past, my old DMTs, I used to take, you know, chisel or whatever, even a knife that needed sharpening, and I just go to town on it and break it in like that from use. But I think the best way that I've found over the last number of years is just leveling 4 or 5 diamond stones. Take 10-15 minutes, run lots of water over it, just work the surface and get any loose diamonds that come out, get all that out, kind of smooth it out and take that really aggressive feeling away from them, just kind of, you know, break them in. Hopefully this one's as flat as the other ones. Look at it. There might be a thou gap, but it's very flat. Looking out the window, I can see just a sliver of light, so I'd say it's right there with the atomas. Check the back. Actually, I flipped my straight edge. This is like a 50-year-old straight edge. It belonged to my grandfather. One side's not perfect. I flip it over to the other side, and there's like literally no light. So that thing is dead flat. I mean, it is dead flat. And across, totally dead flat as well. Grab a caliper. This is kind of a cheaper caliper. It's not exactly a Mitutoyo or anything, but which I happen to have, but it's really close enough. So I've got it set to thousandths of an inch. $316 thou. Check the other corner. 317. 317. 316. 317, 316. So that's good. Nice and flat and even. The width, just under 3 inches. 2.95. Same there. The length, just a hair over 8 inches. About a 32nd. But when I get time later today, I'm going to break it in, and I plan on using this with my other ones in the future and doing some sharpening. So if you guys, anybody out there is looking for a really good set of diamond plates, I can't recommend these enough. They're really good. And if you have any questions or anything, just comment below and I'll try and get back to you. Alright, thank you for watching.